The Chalcedon Foundation presents The Philosophy of the Christian Curriculum, written by R.J. Rushdoony, narrated by Nathan F. Conkey. Foreword. The chapters of this book were delivered as one or more lectures to a variety of groups. These include the Christian Schools of Ohio Conferences, Pensacola Christian College Summer Session, 18 lectures, Via Vera School in North Hollywood, California, the Alabama Christian Schools Conventions, the Southern Association of Christian Schools, Christian Educators Association of the Southeast Conventions, Fairfax Christian School, Trinity Christian School of Mesa, Arizona, and the Michigan Association of Christian Schools and the Church and School of Christian Liberty, Brookfield, Wisconsin. The contents were written over a period of 15 years, and sometimes expanded as Christian school teachers and administrators by the hundreds discussed these matters with me in question and answer sessions. The work was also submitted to the Valley Christian University, a graduate school in Clovis, California, as a part of their doctoral program and requirement. I am deeply grateful to the many dedicated Christian school teachers and administrators who are the pioneers in the key area for our Christian future. I believe that their work is of unequaled importance in our history. I believe that the Christian schools will triumph and will educate all America in terms of God's word and requirement. I believe that we shall see a steady stepping up of the teaching so that, in due time, the content will be increased and the time span of education shortened. I believe that, in due time, the Christian school will teach more than is now taught in kindergarten through high school in 7 or at most 9 grades, so that students will enter college, universities and vocational schools in their very early teens and enter the world of work by the time they are 20. The Christian school movement is the quiet revolution of our time and the great and enduring one. I am grateful that I have had my small part in that revolution. Bruce's John Rushdoony, Chalcedon, Vallecito, California, 95251.